very general goal ng YFC is to provide opportunities for the youth. This is open to 18 years old to 30 years old na who want to engage in agriculture. So, meron tayong on production, meron tayong on processing, and meron tayo on digital. Ang isang goal rin nito is to encourage the youth to go back to farming. Balik tanaw sa farming. Kasi one of the challenges in agriculture now is the aging farmers. So this is one of the programs that encourages the youth to enter into agriculture.
So yun po, meron po kasi kami isang member na oyster mushroom farmer po yung family niya. Then napansin po namin na kwento din po kasi yung struggles as an oyster mushroom farmer na yun nga po kahit ang laki ng market mahirapan po silang magbenta kasi wala pang nakakilala ng product. And nung pinakilala kami further sa kanila, nakita po namin na marami po pala sila as a community. Hindi lang pala sila iisang family lang, marami po pala sila. So doon po yung na-inspire kami na gusto namin silang tulungan, gusto namin mapalawig pa yung market nila, gusto po namin sa matulungan na mas makilala. Yung grant po alone na binigay po nila sa amin, natulungan po kami na makapag-produce ng mas better quality na mga products po. Nagkaroon po kami ng lakas na loob na ipakilala sa market kung ano po yung nagawa naming product. And by that po, yun po nakilala unti-unti po yung product namin, which is masaya po kami doon kasi maliit lang siya na tulong pero sobrang laki ng impact po sa amin as dreamers.